Just beautiful out here, though. Don't you agree? It's so nice out. One of my rules is I'm playing these little how much dirt can I ride on games. Is no riding over the same dirt twice. You know, I mean, geez, I can find a 5-mile stretch and just go back and forth about 10 times, and yeah, then I cheat on my own game. But I do allow for, if there's a gate closed, I don't count against me. I don't let it count against the game. It's not our fault the gate was closed. We were on an honest mission to go see a road over there. Not that this one was that big a deal. Only probably 500 feet, 1,000 one way and back. That is. Now here's where a trailer would be. You know, it's not hard. This isn't difficult at all. I can go the easy way right here. Let's get back over here. I can go this way, which is the easiest way around. All on a rock. This right-hand side where I was about to go has a couple big steps that you gotta maneuver on and around. Wow, I've never seen it with this much water. Never seen it with this much water. Isn't it? A real pretty spot. They can easily sit right here. I do have to pee. Not to give y'all too much info. Here's our little setup right now. We're just parked right here on the side. There's plenty of room for a car to go by, so no big deal. There's our food cooking, our water warming up. And then been here a few times before, especially on the motorcycle. The Wiz and I have been here. Like I said, I've never seen it this much water through there. Never seen it with this much water. It's got to sit for a long time, so we're going to drive and eat. Okay, they're making a mess. Alright, so flip them over, flip them over. That is tiny. Ta-da! Woo! Alright. Leave that here for now. Let's put that in there. This will go like this. It slides on in. Like I was telling you about They're not pretty. They're not pretty at all. But they do the job. Ta-da! And that's that. Take this up front with us. We pack up and we get on going. That water's moving. Now y'all get to see a little bit of this rock wall climb here. Cleaned up my trash, number one, and a little bit of other people's trash. Got my lunch cooked. Used the little boy's room. Had to go. Got all my cameras inside. Got everything packed up back there. I know what I did forget. One more thing back there that I forgot. I've left towels and blankets and stuff like that there to be able to use to kill the sounds, and so turned off. I wedged the towel or blanket in that little table, and perfect. Done. Lunch will be ready in just a couple minutes. Yeah. Smells good. Little lasagna, little something house. What's it called? Mountain house. Little